To remove this caliper bracket or caliper carrier, you need to remove the two bolts here and here. And this is very tight, so we need to use the brake bar. You need a 17mm socket. Got the bolt on. One hand is too difficult. It is very tight. Even I used two hands, it is still very tight. Now a little bit loosen, and you can see still you can see, yeah, that tight. I think this is rather tight. So this one and the top one we need to remove. So that the bolt for the caliper bracket or caliper carrier. So now both bolts for the carrier or bracket removed, and we can remove the bracket, the caliper carrier, like this.